Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover lost emails or missing emails in Gmail. If you've noticed that an important message is no longer showing up in your inbox, don't worry. In many cases, the email hasn't actually disappeared. It may have been filtered into another folder, marked as spam, or moved to trash. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the main places to check inside Gmail, and then we'll finish with Gmail's official message recovery tool if you still can't find the missing email. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. This gives you a clear starting point and makes it easier to navigate through the different sections of your account. Once you're in Gmail, look toward the left side of the screen where the folder list appears. Next, click More on the left-hand side. Gmail often hides some folders by default to keep the sidebar simple, so expanding this section helps reveal additional locations where your messages may have been moved. If you don't immediately see the folder you need, this is usually the first place to check. After that, click Spam to take a look there. Sometimes legitimate emails are mistakenly flagged as suspicious and sent to spam automatically. Browse through the messages carefully and see whether the missing email appears in that folder. This is especially helpful if you're waiting for something like a confirmation email, update, or reply that never seem to arrive in your inbox. If the message isn't in spam, go back to the left menu and click Trash. Emails that have been deleted, either manually or accidentally, are often stored there temporarily before being permanently removed. Check through the trash folder to see if the missing message is there. If you find it, you may be able to restore it before it's deleted for good, so it's worth checking as soon as possible. If you still can't locate the email after checking both spam and trash, the next step is to go to Gmail's official message recovery tool. Open the recovery tool site and then follow the on-screen instructions provided there. Gmail will guide you through the process to submit a recovery request and help you attempt to recover missing emails. Since the exact prompts may vary, it's best to carefully read each screen and complete the procedure as shown. As a final tip, move slowly and double-check each folder before assuming the email is gone permanently. Many missing messages are simply misplaced rather than lost. By checking the inbox, expanding the menu, reviewing spam, looking in trash, and then using Gmail's official recovery tool, you'll cover the most common ways to recover lost emails in Gmail.